Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching Cogblog, and in today's video we are gonna try the famous dry ice in water experiment. So of course you need a bowl of water and some dry ice. So let's begin the video. Okay, so now pick a piece of dry ice and put it in the water with the help of tongs. And as soon as you do that, you will see this fog coming out. So basically that is just because of the compressed carbon dioxide in the dry ice. Anyways, this thing looks really cool. Let me just zoom in and you can see that it looks amazing. Let's see from the top, and whoa, can you see that bubbles, those bubbles right there? I'll just blow the smoke away, and did you see right now? This thing looks really amazing. So guys, here it was, the famous dry ice in water experiment. And yeah, if you have a lot of dry ice, well, it is gonna look even much better. So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.